It is a familiar, heavy feeling. You sit down at your kitchen table, surrounded by a chaotic stack of financial documents, trying to make sense of your year. Traditional tax software often operates as a rigid digital interrogation. You provide the data, and it demands precision without offering much help in return. You stare at empty boxes, worried that guessing the wrong answer will trigger a government audit. So you end up opening a dozen browser tabs, spending hours researching the rules yourself just to be safe. This happens because the current system is built for government compliance. It expects you to already understand the intricacies of the tax code, forcing you to act as your own expert while you're already feeling overwhelmed. You usually begin with a version advertised as free, but almost immediately you hit a wall of dense text. Words like Schedule C appear with zero context. Schedule C is the specific Internal Revenue Service form used to report income or loss from freelance or sole proprietor business work. The software assumes you already know what these terms mean and how they apply to your life. Instead of guiding you, it acts like a pop quiz where your financial security is the grade. This chart shows the typical pricing structure of these platforms. You spend 45 minutes entering your personal data, and suddenly that free tier requires an upgrade to a premium package for over $150 just to process a basic freelance form. Traditional tax software isn't actually designed to help you file. It operates on a business model that tests exactly how much money and frustration you will tolerate before you finally pay the fee just to make the process stop. Strip away the anxiety, and filing taxes is a straightforward data sorting task. You are simply organizing what you earned against what you owe. You shouldn't have to learn a technical language to do this. You just need a reliable translator between your normal life and the tax code. An AI-led interview addresses this by simulating a real conversation. Instead of navigating empty forms, you have a plain English conversation about your year. Instead of confronting a blank box demanding your Schedule C deductions, the AI advisor simply asks, "Did you do any freelance work this year? And did you have to buy a laptop for it?" Guidance is more effective than rigid instruction. When a system can translate your human context into accurate tax logic, you don't need to memorize any forms. The process starts with documents you already have. You upload your standard W-2s or 1099s, and the system instantly reads and validates the raw data. This diagram illustrates how the heavy lifting happens behind the scenes. The system takes your conversational answers and connects them directly to current tax law, using the exact same logic frameworks a professional CPA follows. A CPA, or Certified Public Accountant, is a licensed professional who provides tax and accounting services. As it builds your return, the methodology systematically checks every eligible credit and deduction. It calculates whether the standard or itemized deduction saves you more money, ensuring the best financial outcome. To ensure you can trust the results, every answer the AI provides includes transparent reasoning. It shows you the exact citations from official government publications, so you know the logic is sound. The technology takes on the entire cognitive burden. You get the benefit of professional-grade accuracy without spending your evening searching the internet for answers. Even with rigorous logic, you might still wonder what happens if a situation is uniquely complicated. That is why a true solution includes a built-in human fallback. If a question gets too complex, you can escalate it on demand to a licensed tax professional who takes over the review. This diagram maps out the explicit financial protections. If an error occurs, a 100% accuracy guarantee covers the penalties and interest, alongside full audit defense. You achieve peace of mind when your downside financial risk is completely eliminated by professional, guaranteed oversight. The end result of this process is a complete, validated, professional quality return generated in a matter of minutes, ready for you to submit. The pricing is transparent. You pay one simple upfront fee, which avoids the hidden, hostage-style upsells that traditional platforms rely on. Filing your taxes no longer has to be a test of your financial intelligence or a maze of bureaucratic paperwork. This guided, intelligent conversation replaces the cold interrogation room, making tax season a calm, predictable experience.